What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Road Reality. I'm John and I'll be your guide today. All right, here we go. Yep, it's another one of those. The sun is fading and I'm out riding. But we're on Maryland 117 on our nice relaxing cruise. So sit back and enjoy the ride. Today I'm going to talk about three things. Therapy on a bike, or wind therapy. I'm going to talk about some studio and channel updates. And I'm going to ask a couple of questions. So let's start off with the questions. Lately I've been posting videos twice a week. What do you think of that schedule? I was actually thinking about doing one vlog a week and something off bike. Maybe recorded in my porch. I don't know. But always featuring good footage. I tend to catch a lot of nice scenery when I'm riding, even if I can't make the words come out of my mouth right. But yeah, so what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Also, I'm doing an experiment. It's about 1 minute into the video now, and if you're still watching, let me know how far you made it before you either skipped around or decided to go watch something else. It's an experiment, and I'm really curious to see what you think. Anyway, we're on 117. It was a high of 33 yesterday. It's a high of 60 today, and the bike says 54.5. So we've already dropped about 6 degrees since I got on the bike a half hour ago, and yeah, it's expected to go down another 30. So gonna get cold tonight. But that leads me into my second topic, which is wind therapy. I have mentioned it on the channel before. My mental health is very important to me. That sometimes means taking a risk. In this case, getting salty water on my bike. It snowed here a couple of weeks ago. We didn't get much warm temperatures after that, and the salt finally got mostly washed away a few days ago. It's not all the way gone, so I'll probably have to rinse the bike off later, or I'll do it tomorrow. Either way, I had to. I finally got to the point where I said, honey, I really need to get out on the bike. And she said, okay, be home in time for dinner, which is about an hour from now. So, may not be able to ride this whole road, but we're gonna try. But wind therapy, I mean, I had a lot of time to think about it. It means a lot of things to a lot of different people. I noticed that personally, when I first hopped on the bike to come on this ride, my grip on the bars was tight and I was sort of twitchy. But after about 15 minutes in the saddle, I have settled down nicely. My heart rate has gone down. I feel very calm. You can probably hear it in my voice. But boy, I was getting amped up earlier. It was no joke. I really needed to get out on 2 wheels. So I always preach two things. One, you have a 100% track record of making it through a bad day. And 2, yeah, I forget what 2 is. Oh yeah, do something every day for yourself. And for the last 2.5 weeks, that has not meant riding. I've been getting more and more amped up, and this is just the pill I needed today. Oh, you can't see my, wait, you can see my face right now. Man, this is just relaxing the heck out of me. And thank you very much for coming along for the ride. This is likely my last ride of 2020. By the time you see this, it'll be 2021. So I wish you a happy new year. But I hope you're getting all the mental wellness you need. Times are still tough, and everybody needs a little bit of help, right? So if your motorcycle brings you a little bit of joy, get out there. Even if there might be a little salt on the road or mud like this, do it. Be careful, be safe, get home in one piece, wash the bike off later. You'll thank me later. Yes. It's kind of drab because it's winter time. There's no leaves on the trees, but it's still a peaceful ride. Not a lot of technical corners, just kind of relaxing. That's the theme of today's ride, is relaxation. Like I said, I'm not pushing it. We're just going through the corners, nice and easy. You know, Safety is very important. Got to stay safe. I'm still on the right road. Yeah, here we go. I like to ride you around. Thank you all for your comments on heated gear from a couple of videos ago. I appreciate that. Whoa. Hello, I'm coming here. Thank you. All right, so we are pulling up to this big pond, and I've got some channel updates. Yay, channel updates. So I recently got a softbox lighting system from Mountain Dog, and for Christmas my wife gave me a green screen. It's a Verana, I think, Creator 95. Really cool setup, and we're going to pull over here, talk about that in a minute, and take a look at this beautiful scenery. So let's do that. So hopefully you can hear me here. We're on this bridge. Hopefully I've thrown up a card as to where we're at. This is really neat looking. I showed this bridge in a previous video, but thought I'd feature it again. So yeah, this is really cool looking. Let's cross the road. So far I've played around with the softbox and the green screen a little bit, and I like it. It's a lot of fun. But while we're here, I'm gonna snap some quick pictures. Isn't that sun amazing? All right, let's cross back over. Now I can really catch my bike in the sun. Sun's beginning to set. Time to get back out on the bike. I brought my heated gloves, so my hands will stay toasty warm. And until I see you again, keep the shiny side up. Take care. We're up there on 121, and hopefully they fix the big bump on the other side of this traffic circle. If you watch my bloopers stuff, you've seen this big bump. Ah, they fixed it. Good, 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 good. I often leave bloopers and extra footage at the end of my videos because I find it amusing. Do you find it amusing? But yeah, that big bump back there, oh boy, it took me by surprise, and I hit it hard. So luckily they fixed it, and we can continue rolling. Does this remind anybody of the movie E.T.? I can't pinpoint it, but it does remind me of the end of E.T. for some reason. Maybe it's all the houses lined up ticky-tacky in little boxes, all lined up next to each other. That's a cool shot. Sun behind the clouds. Setting. Do you find that neat? Because I find that neat. Alright, so I'm almost home, and it's not quite pitch black out, but close enough, right?